Again.
The spies are after me. Evil minion. Take this hypnotizing ray, hypnotize them so they won't be after me anymore. Go!
Someone's at the door. Wonder who it is. I'm gonna go get it.
Here's your pizza. Oh, wait. Oh, no. It's a hypno ray.
All right, let's get out of here.
What just happened?
Found you. Do it now. I can't believe this happened. Again.